thunderstorm warning for northern Westchester County in southeastern New York. Orange County in southeastern New York. Western Putnam County in southeastern New York. Rockland County in southeastern New York. Until 6 p.m.
Goodness.
At 5 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Orange County in southeastern New York, Western Putnam County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York until 6 p.m. At 5 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Woodridge to Rock Hill to Hardwood to near Highland Lake, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Cudbackville around 5:05 p.m. Howells and Otisville around 5:10 p.m. Middletown around 5:20 p.m. Walden and Montgomery around 5:25 p.m. Goshen around 5:30 p.m. Chester around 5:35 p.m. Newburgh and Gardnertown around 5:40 p.m. Monroe and New Windsor around 5:45 p.m. West Point and Harriman around 5:50 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in New York: Orange and Rockland,